supposed to start at 8, but we're gonna get there a little bit early because people be showing up to Carmene's earlier nowadays, so yeah. There's a cop. My tabs are expired too. Literally right next to us. Oscar's car! Of course I'm parking next to it. I used to model next to this thing. No, he sold it today.
So this is someone else?
Yeah.
That's driving it?
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah. It's pretty nice.
I wonder if Erased is gonna be here.
Hunter said he'd take you on a date the next time he's in Seattle.
Oh, that's a dark horse. Oh, we got. Again, I don't really like the rear end of it.
It kind of looks like a Roblox. Or like that Lego Mustang that I put
Yeah.
together.
Alright. A little bit of behind the scenes.
Parking lot's filling up fast.
Yeah. I wasn't a big fan of the new WXs.
I'm gonna predict this. The parking lot's gonna get full and people are gonna start parallel parking
Oh,
right
most
here.
definitely. Yeah, no.
Keep up.
Look at least it's lowered and it's. Yo, that's one of the versions of my car. That's the white one. That's the 50th anniversary white
The
color.
cream white?
Yeah.
Ooh, clean.
Ooh.
I will admit I've never seen that before. The Giarcola?
Yeah. And I've seen a few of those. They're actually kind of sweet.
You're too famous now. How you doing?
Good,
Are you
how are you?
recording? What is that? The GoPro?
Yeah.
Is that the
It's on
9?
YouTube now.
Is that 9? GoPro 9?
No, it's the 12.
Damn.
So we met at the noodle place, ramen. I don't remember what it was, but
Oh
we met
yeah,
there.
Oh,
we got the
restaurant.
black Audi, right?
That was a
Yeah.
few.
Where's your girlfriend?
Not my girlfriend.
Yeah.
W man. W man.
Yes.
We're gonna keep walking around,
Yeah.
but it's nice seeing you.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice to see you too.
I mean, you can. You suck up.
Yeah, since last time I didn't look like this.
He jaded.
Yeah, she got out. Check with him. I like that wrap though.
Yeah, it's
I
nice.
think that's right.
It's a nice color. It's definitely wrap.
That's actually kind of fun. Reminds me of GTA. I built one of those.
Sunset's pretty cool for beach night.
Oh, yeah.
You drive mine, I'll drive yours.
It's still better. Smaller than Federal.
Yep.
I really like
That's
this
the
thing.
cappuccino.
I really like this.
Very,
It's
very
sweet. I don't know why.
Usually you could fit 2 cappuccinos in a parking spot sideways.
That's really cool. I like those.
It's nice.
Yeah. Oh, they do. Alright, well, that's all that's here right now. Some people are leaving, some people are coming, but it's nothing much. Yep. Alright, final look. I think we're done here. It's time at home, edit a video. Oh, guys don't fit in these cars.
Nothing rowdy happened while we were here.
Yeah.
Unlike the meet from yesterday, which was like insane.
It was fun though until it just got too much. We don't want to be associated with that type of stuff.
No.
But we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Might see some footage on the way home.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. But maybe. And then we have another meet tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yep.
And that should be a little bit better because it's with Rough Rolls and I know them pretty well.
We'll see.
I think that's it for us.
Yep.
Rowdy.